What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the videos as of recently. If you haven't seen my last video, I highly recommend you hit the cards on the side. Today we're joined by my stepdad and my mom on the beautiful Harley here. So today I kind of want to talk about what you do after you get the bike and mods I recommend for really any kind of bike. So if you haven't seen kind of a part one to this video, I'll put that in the cards on the side as well. It's just tips I give to people to obtain a bike and everything it takes to do before, which I feel like is a really long process, but it's worth it in the end. First thing I'd recommend is take that rear fender piece is on the back that holds the plate and take that thing off, throw it in the trash. You'll never need another one. But that's honestly the first thing I say to do because it cleans up a bike so well. After you do that, take these god ugly mirrors off of any bike. Get bar ends. I'm kind of in the middle of deciding which ones I want. I have two sets at home. I just cannot pick which ones I want. None seem to be working as well as I thought they would be. I mean, this also is a naked bike and wind just gets hit head on, but whatever, we'll figure it out. So after you do them two things, your bike's going to look completely different. I definitely recommend getting a exhaust of some sort, whether it's a slip-on, full system, or just take the muffler, the stock muffler off if possible and just run it like that for a while, because it is nice to hear the bike. It sounds so good. After that, I mean, you could start doing like air filter, tune. It's just all personal. I mean, then you can really start getting into the visual mods, like whether you want to paint something, wrap something. I honestly did it's kind of hard to see if you look right there, you'll see it, but I did the wheel stickers, kind of the white to match the bike. I love that. I think it looks so good. I definitely recommend doing LED upgrades all the way around, like tag light, headlight. I don't really get into turn signals. I'd rather just get the LED stock, like the whole thing, than just doing bulbs, because I feel like the stock ones are really big and just obnoxious. So I'm not sure how many people watch from like the DMV area, kind of close surrounding states. But I will be going to Bike Week in Ocean City. I think it's September 14th to the 18th. So if you guys aren't doing anything and want to come down to Ocean City, it's always a great time. I went last year and I have a video of that, but I don't know. It wasn't fun for me because it was my first bike week ever since I got a motorcycle. Like me riding it there, and it was just, I don't know. It just seemed not what it was cracked up to be as like a little kid. Like, oh, look at these people on the bikes. It's just, I don't know. Just getting treated the way I did, it just felt like it was Harley week only, and I'm just like, I'm not into that. I'd like to share the passion, but whatever. If any of y'all live near there or going to be down there, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll leave it on the screen. But don't be shy, man. Hit me up. We're going to make some content and go have a great time. That's what it's all about. It feels so weird not having like any mods coming. Like, I feel like I'm always getting mods and mods and mods. I don't really know what I want to do next. Like, there's so much I want to do, but I just don't know what to do first. I apologize for the short video, but I think we're going to wrap things up. If you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. I'll be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.